guys, welcome to the third episode of my Delhi series. In our last episode, we left off exploring the diplomatic enclave of Central Delhi. But as I told you that our adventure in the vibrant part of the city is far from over. Right now, we're diving into the very soul of Central Delhi. We are in Connaught Place, which is considered as the centermost part of Delhi NCR. So this is Central Delhi's white walls, a big circle and a bustling hub of activities. The inner circle is divided into various blocks from A to F, each lined with a variety of stores, international brand outlets, restaurants, cafes and vintage cinemas. The architectural charm of the white colonnade buildings gives the area a unique character. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion, books, electronics, or want to indulge in some local or international cuisine, the inner circle has something for everyone. The area buzzes with energy, especially in the evening and on weekends when the crowd comes out to shop, eat, or just enjoy a leisurely walk, where you will find street vendors selling small jewelry, books, decorative items, handicrafts, or for that matter, mobile covers. So right now I'm right outside Wengers, one of the oldest bakeries in Delhi. It's been around since 1926 and now you can imagine the delicious treats they've been dishing out since almost a decade now. You will find the bakery in the A block of Inner Circle. So let's go inside and grab something to eat. So guys, I got myself one veg patty and I got an eclair bag. Let's try the patty. It's so good, it's so crispy. The filling is amazing. One of the best and oldest for a reason for sure. Let's go. In the inner circle, you'll find an array of fantastic restaurants offering a variety of cuisines, and some of the noteworthy dining spots where you can enjoy your meal are Walk in the Clouds, The Embassy, Zen, Barbecue Nation, Cuba, United Coffee House, Dhaba, The Host and Diggin. The place also has some must-try cafes for a relaxed evening which you guys wouldn't want to miss, like the Big Chill Cafe, Nick Baker's, Cafe Sandoz, Warehouse Cafe, Fuzzy Cafe, Starbucks and Chayos. But if you're in a mood for something quick and convenient, Inner Circle has some great fast food joints too, like McDonald's, Burger King, Nirula's, Domino's, 0 Degrees, Subway and many more. Now we are out of the inner circle and right behind me is Janpath Market, which is about 200 meters away from the inner circle. Now this market sells an eclectic mix of products, offers everything from traditional Indian wear to trendy Western outfits, accessories, and what makes it unique is its incredible variety of handcrafted goods. Whether you're looking for statement jewelry, embroidered bags or even home decor, you'll find everything at a great rate and quality as compared to high-end brands. Also just a tip, bargaining is a thing here. भैया ये कितने का है? Since I've come to this market after so long, I'm going to show you guys the place that brings back nostalgia to Deep Halls at Janpath. And it's not just the taste, it's the whole vibe of the place, surrounded by the hustle and bustle of the market. Their cold coffee is like no other. And it's not just about the taste of the cold coffee, it's about the vibe of this place surrounded by the hustle and bustle of the market. It's so refreshing. The nostalgia is literally bringing me back to my college days. Now, Janpath is not only the place where you can find handicrafts. In central Delhi, Connaught Place, there is Cottage Emporium, a popular shopping destination for those who are specially looking to buy Indian handcrafts, artifacts, textiles and souvenirs. It offers a wide range of products from all over India. This place is not just about shopping but also an opportunity to experience the diversity of Indian crafts. Cottage Emporium is worth a visit if you are in Delhi. Now, Central Delhi is not just about shopping, cinemas, hotels and food, but is also a spiritualist nucleus, home to many revered places of worship. Among these are the Hanuman Mandir and Gurudwara Bangla Sahib. Hanuman Mandir is an ancient temple believed to date back to the Mahabharata era. Every Tuesday and Saturday, the temple sees a significant influx of devotees who come to offer prayers and seek blessings from Lord Hanuman. The temple's atmosphere during these days is electrifying, with chants and hymns filling the air. And just a short distance from Hanuman Mandir lies Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, one of the most prominent Sikh Gurudwaras in Delhi. This Gurudwara is known for its stunning golden dome and tall flagpole Nishan Sahib. The Gurudwara is also a centre of community service, embodying the Sikh principle of Langar, a free community kitchen where food is served to all visitors regardless of religion, caste or creed. So both Hanuman Mandir and Gurudwara Bangla Sahib are more than just places of worship. They're cultural landmarks that embody the spirit of inclusiveness, faith and community service. They offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Indian spirituality and tradition, making them a must-visit destination for anyone looking to explore the soul of Central Delhi. So here I am at my next spot in Central Delhi, Pandara Road, a popular spot for everyone in Delhi and visitors from all over the world. The restaurants here have been here for around 50 years and they've been serving really tasty food. They're a big part of what makes Delhi's food scene special, showing off how welcoming the city is. Some of the well-known places to eat here are Chicken Inn, Gulati and have more. Now here comes my last spot in Central Delhi, India Gate. And behind me is Rashtrapati Bhavan, where our President of India lives. India Gate is a very famous monument in Delhi, a cool hangout spot where people come to chill, have picnics and take walks, especially when it's not too hot outside. India Gate was built to remember the 70,000 soldiers of the British Indian Army who died in World War I.
What you run from? Where will you hide? You're shying from the pain, hoping it will never come back again. You try new, 'cause life is always knocking you over. Time and again. And I'll be here for you. I'll be by your side when you need a friend.
Now before ending the video, I'll quickly show you guys all the luxurious hotels in Central Delhi, which will be barely around 2-3 kilometers from all the places I showed you today. The Imperial, located in Janpath, close to Rajiv Chowk, opened in 1936. This hotel has behold the historical elegance and contemporary luxury. The hotel is highly rated for its location and its looks. It shows off India's rich history and modern style all in one. It houses a priceless collection of over 5,000 original artworks from the 17th and 18th centuries, adding to its historic ambience. High tea at the Atrium Imperial is an experience one should surely have. It provides a serene and majestic setting perfect for enjoying intimate gathering or relaxing in the early evening hours. The high tea is priced at INR 1850 plus taxes for adults and INR 850 plus taxes for kids aged 6 to 11 years. The hotel has numerous dining options too, one of them being 1911 Restaurant, an elegant all-day dining space known for its Art Deco style and Indo-style brasserie ambience. It's recognized for offering a relaxed and lively environment. This hotel is an ideal choice for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in the heart of India's capital. Next is Shangri-La Eros Hotel, a beacon of 5-star luxury. A hotel with sophisticated decor, world-class amenities like the luxurious rooms, outdoor pool, and one of the renowned dining venues, the Tamara. Its strategic location and hospitality ensures easy access to the city and a happy stay. Next in this area is Le Méridien, a beautiful property in Connaught Place. The hotel has a very peaceful atmosphere with commendable service. The dining options at this hotel can be one of a kind with staff courteous. This 5-star property can be one of your top choices. Now comes The Park, a simple and budget-friendly hotel as compared to the other hotels in this area. You'll get all the essential amenities that one needs in a hotel here. It features a diverse menu in its restaurant and has attentive staff. This hotel can be a great choice for travelers looking to economize. Few more hotels in this area are the Metropolitan, the Connaught and the Lalit. And that wraps up today's video and with it our journey through Central Delhi. I hope you're finding the series enjoyable and useful. If you have any questions about places in Delhi, please don't hesitate to drop them in the comment sections below. I'll be more than happy to respond. Stay tuned for more videos in my Delhi series. Until next time, keep exploring.